Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain the Boolean model in information retrieval and a simple data of how it can be implemented using Python. First, let us understand what is information retrieval. Information retrieval is the process of finding relevant documents or information from a large collection of data. It is based on a user's query. For example, when we search something in a search engine, the system retrieves documents that match our query. One of the earliest and simplest methods used in information retrieval is the Boolean model. This model is based on Boolean logic, which uses logical operators to connect search terms and retrieve documents. The Boolean model mainly uses three operators: and, or, and not. First is the AND operator. The AND operator retrieves documents that contain all the given terms. For example, if the query is data and science, the system will return only the documents that contains both the word data and the word science. Second is the OR operator. The OR operator retrieves documents that contain at least one of the terms. For example, if the query is data or science, the system will return documents that contain data, science, or both. Third is a NOT operator. The NOT operator is used to exclude certain terms. For example, if the query is data, not science, the system will return documents that contains data but do not contain science. In the Boolean model, documents are represented as a sets of words. The system compares the user's queries with the words in each document, checks whether the document satisfies the Boolean condition. Now, let us briefly see how this can be implemented in Python. Here is here is the example code Python implementation in Boolean retrieval. uh, Import numpy as np, import pandas as pd. Here we use a boolean retrieval class, then index document as a function, then create document as a function, then we used for loops for this. Then let us see the code explanation. In Python, we have to import the libraries NumPy and Pandas. NumPy is used to create the document term matrix, and Pandas is used to display the matrix as a table. Then next, we created a class called the Boolean Retriever. It stores the inverted index and the documented matrix. Then we created an index document function to in this code. It splits document text into words and stores which document contains each term. Then for this, we created the function called create document matrix. It creates a matrix where rows equal to documents and columns is equal to term. Value 1 means the term appears in the document. Then last is the Boolean search function. It processes queries using and or and not operations. This uses Boolean or logical operators and return matching document IDs. Thank you all.